Hi guys, Disney Playtime here with a Shopkins Play-Doh challenge. In our Shopkins Play-Doh challenges we're going to be opening up Shopkins blind bags and then creating our own Shopkins made of Play-Doh. How cool is that? We're going to start our first Shopkins challenge with a Season 3 Shopkins basket. We're going to open this up now and then we're going to open one of the blind bags inside it. We have two blind bags in here, but today we're just going to open one of them to create our Play-Doh Shopkin. I think today we'll go for this one. This is my first Season 3 Shopkins blind bag, so I'm really excited about opening this. Let's see what we have in here. Oh, wow! Vanilla slice. How gorgeous. Oh, there's lots of detail in the top there. That's going to be interesting to make. This is going to be fun though. So we need to get our Play-Doh and then we can try and make our vanilla slice. Here's all our Play-Doh colours ready to make our vanilla slice. We're going to need some yellow for this bit here. So we've got yellow, then we've got orange for the top and then white on top of that bit, and orange for the bottom. So here's our orange and our white. We've got brown for the swirly bits on the top, and here's our brown, red for the mouth, and black for the eyes. So now we've got all our Play-Doh ready, let's get making vanilla slice. We're going to be starting with yellow to make the main inside part of vanilla slice here. top finished. Couldn't get quite as many on as Nilla Slice actually has because they're just too tiny and fiddly to do. But it still looks pretty cool. It certainly gives the right impression. We're going to add the hands next, just at the bottom here. Put one this side. And another one for the other side. Our two hands. And now we'll make the eyes. First eye, now second one. Oh wow, it's looking so cute. I need to adjust these slightly. My hand down there a bit more. And you can move these eyes over. That's it. And this one a little bit down. Wow, how cute is that? Right, we need eyebrows and a little tiny mouth. And then we're done. Wow. Here's the first eyebrow. The difficulty is going to be getting it on because it's so tiny. There we go. Next we need this mouth. Oh, she looks so cute. And one last thing, she needs the tiniest, teeniest little nose. A tiny bit of Play-Doh here for that, which we're just going to drop on there. Get it into position. And there we are, we have made Nilla Slice. Here is our very own Play-Doh Nilla Slice. Oh, this is so fun. I'd love to know what you think of this. So please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of our Play-Doh Nilla Slice. Well, I'm really happy with her and I can't wait to make the next one when we open our next blind bag. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed our first Shopkins Play-Doh challenge. Please click like and subscribe to catch our next Shopkins Play-Doh challenge, and stay tuned for more from Shopkins and Play-Doh, or you can click on one of the videos showing on the screen now.